Success in Arlington doesn't come from luck. It comes from persistence. It's a city where ambition meets hard work and where people carve out their future with determination and grit. Here, the path to building something meaningful is hard-earned and fiercely protected. But even for the most determined, an unexpected injury can threaten to throw everything off course. It might be a car accident on Interstate 30, a slip and fall at a busy event venue, or a workplace injury in one of Arlington's many industries. In an instant, hospital visits replace plans, medical bills pile up, and the progress you've been steadily building feels uncertain. That's where a personal injury attorney in Arlington steps in, not just to fight for compensation, but to protect the journey you've worked so hard to create. Insurance companies will try to move quickly, offering fast settlements that don't reflect the true cost of an injury. They're hoping you'll settle fast and move on. But here in Arlington, where people know the value of the climb, you know better than to accept anything less than what you deserve. A skilled personal injury attorney will fight for the full picture, covering immediate medical bills, long-term therapies, lost income, and the emotional impact that follows. They'll take on the calls, the paperwork, and the negotiations, allowing you to focus on healing and reclaiming the path you were walking before life threw you a curveball. Because in Arlington, success isn't about never facing setbacks. It's about how you push through them. With the right legal partner, one injury won't derail your hard work. It'll simply be another test, one you'll overcome with the same resilience that built your life in the first place. An injury might have interrupted your momentum, but it doesn't have to rewrite your future. In Arlington, we believe in resilience, ambition, and protecting the progress we've earned. And with the right personal injury attorney, you'll have someone fighting for you with that same spirit every step of the way. Please click the link below